Ladies and gentlemen, how about a hand for Sweet Notes Music?
What's up, Los Angeles? Hello, everyone! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Okay na po ba kayong lahat dyan? There you go. Are you excited? Excited na ba kayo mag-enjoy tonight? Come on, let's do this! We are the Sweet Notes Music! Woo! Ayos na kayo sa taas dyan. Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Alright, there you go! And of course, gusto ko namin magpasalamat sa inyo lahat na nandito ngayong gabi. I would like to take this opportunity before kami mag-start kasi tuloy-tuloy na tayo mamaya. Salamat po for coming tonight, for supporting this kind of show at sa patuloy po na pag-suporta sa Sweet Notes Music. Kaway-kaway naman mga followers ng Sweet Notes! Mga ka-Sweet Notes, thank you so much. I hope everyone will enjoy the show. And of course, once again, I would like to thank all of the producers na nandito ngayong gabi. Thank you for making this event possible. Thank you so much. And once again, ready na bang lahat? Come on! Woo! Ayan, gusto mo makita yung energy ng Los Angeles. Paano ba yung energy ng Los Angeles? Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. One BJ.
Hindi na alam direct.